Okay, this is going to be a short video on how to post a web-based video into one of your posts or memos that you have on the new Bellows. So what we're going to do is start out again at the primary website for the Guild at metalsmith.org, and then we'll go click right here on the Bellows, and it will take us to the top page, or the board index page of the new Bellows message boards, or the forum. And so I'm going to go into the upper left right here, and I'm going to click on login. And I already had my username and password in here, but if that wasn't filled in, you'd have to put in your username and your password, and you'd click login, and it says I've successfully logged in, and then automatically it will take me after a few seconds to this top page, also known as the board index. So now I'm logged into the Bellows. Now I want to go post something on it, and in this particular case what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Bellows how-to, because I want to go post something into this Bellows how-to. And so it's going to be a new topic, and this new topic I'm going to call a Bellows overview. And so there is the title, or the subject, of this particular post, and I'm going to say here is a small video of the Bellows that explains its major features and functions. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do is I want to actually incorporate a video that I put together and hosted it up on YouTube, and now I need to incorporate that into the text. The way to do that is you'll notice that there are a whole host of icons on these rows right in here. Each of these icons, you can experiment with them as you're typing your own posts up. They each do things. For instance, this one is insert a URL, or insert a web address, insert an email, insert an image, etc., etc., etc. What I want to do is actually use this last one that looks like a piece of film, 8mm film. And it says insert web video. I'm going to left click on that, and it opens up this box. And what happens is that this particular software will host, or will accept, video from a wide number of video hosts. YouTube is the default because that's one that's mostly used, but you can see here in this drop down box that there are all sorts of allowed sites that you can pick from. But I'm going to go back again and pick YouTube, and so youtube.com is there. This is an example of a YouTube video address. Mine's already copied on my clipboard, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that into the clipboard, and there is the YouTube address. This width and height is the number of pixels in height and width that the video will display inside your message. You can change those, but I leave them at the default value. And then I'm going to click Insert into Message. And when I do that, this text is inserted into the message. You can see there's BB Video 56340, so there's the side. BB is it's a software code. Then the address of the video. So really that is it. In this particular case, I'm not putting any major descriptors here. I'm just going to include this video as a Bellows overview. So what I want to do is scroll down. Then I'm through with this post, and I am going to not everyone will have this opportunity because you're not an admin on the Bellows, but I'm going to make it sticky so that it doesn't expire, and rather than just a normal topic. And then I'm going to hit submit, and when I do that, wait just a second, and it should take me back to my submitted message. And sure enough, here is the message as it exists, and you can see Bellows overview. Here's a small video overview of the Bellows that explains its major features and functions, and if you click the play button, it will actually start that video up. So there we go, a successful insertion of a web-based video into a post on the bellows.